Hello students, this is NCERT problem 1.1 from page number 18 of the solid state. Okay, so let's read the statement. A compound is formed by two elements X and Y. Atoms of the element Y as anions make CCP and those of element X as cations occupy all the octahedral voids. What is the formula of the compound, right? So they have given you a compound that is made up of X and Y elements, right? And the atoms of element Y occupy CCP structure, right? That means if I'll draw a unit cell, CCP structure means the element Y's atom occupy corners of this unit cell as well as the faces of unit cell, right? They are saying those of element X. Now the atoms of element X occupy all the octahedral voids. Okay, you have to tell the formula of the compound, right? So first of all, we'll see the effective number of atoms of Y in the lattice, right? So how can you find the effective number of atoms of Y in lattice? Let's write that. So effective number of atoms of Y in lattice equal to, now we are talking about the contribution of atoms in a unit cell, right? Now if I'll see this atom, okay, this atom is shared by 8 unit cells. That means the contribution of this atom for one unit cell will be 1 by 8, right? And now the atoms on the faces, the atom on one face is shared by two unit cells, right? Here there will be one more unit cell on the above of this unit cell, right? So this atom is shared by two unit cells. That means the contribution of this atom for one unit cell will be half, right? So here on the corners we are having 8 atoms, right? So effective number of atoms, how can we find that? Contribution of atoms at the corner plus contribution of atoms at the faces. Okay, so we know that contribution of one atom on the corner is 1 by 8, right? We are having 8 atoms on the corner, so into 8 plus one atom at the face is having 1 by 2 contribution. There are total 6 number of atoms, so into 6, right? So I'll cancel 8 with 8, 2 with 6, I'll get 3. So it will be 1 plus 3, that means 4. In CCP structure, or you can also say FCC structure, the total number of atoms contributes equal to the 4 atoms, right? So now the next step is we have to find the octahedral voids, right? So if we'll see the diagram here, these 6 atoms when joined with each other, they'll form an empty space between them. Okay, so this empty space is known as octahedral void, right? So how many octahedral voids are there in a crystal lattice? That will be found by the formula. That means number of octahedral voids equal to the number of atoms forming CCP structure, right? That means the number of octahedral voids will be equal to the number of atoms that are contributing to form CCP structure. Okay, so how many atoms are there? That are 4. That means number of octahedral voids are 4 in this crystal lattice, right? The compound is formed by two elements X and Y, right? So the ratio of elements X and Y will be X ratio Y. The element Y is forming CCP lattice, right? And the element X occupies the octahedral void. So how many octahedral voids we are having? 4. And the contribution of atoms forming CCP structure are also 4, right? So I'll cancel 4 with 4. So X ratio Y will be 1:1. That means the formula of the compound will be X Y.